Hello, my name's Tragic O'Hara and I am an artist. I'm also a youth worker. I've been working with young folk for a long time, doing loads of creative projects like murals, animations, making music, songwriting, loads of different stuff. I had an idea because I know how difficult it's going to be if you're trying to work in the house when you've got kids.
Do you like my noise?
So my idea is to make 2 video lessons a week where you can learn everything from animation, making 8-bit video game music, illustration, graphic design, video editing, all using free software, so no paid subscriptions, all using shareware and online based programs. I've started a Facebook group. There's a lot of adults doing these tutorials, there's loads of young people doing these tutorials, so they're for everyone. I thought I was only doing them for young people, but a lot of the parents are getting involved now. I did think about doing this as a live stream, which is why the first video in my YouTube playlist is a bit kind of different from the rest of them. But then I thought the best idea was to make these videos for YouTube so that people can go back and refer to them, and it doesn't matter when you start, you can learn the whole thing, because some of these lessons will go over a couple of weeks to make a finished product. So you can work through these videos at your own pace. You can use them with your family, you can do them by yourself, and you can work through them in a relaxing setting and in the comfort of your own home. So my plan is to make these videos up until when the schools would have stopped, which would be the end of June. So potentially there'll be between 50 to 60 videos there. After this is all done, my plan is to send them round all the secondary schools, all the primary schools, all the youth organisations as a free resource that teachers can use, classroom assistants can use, youth workers, and they can teach these skills to young people, or they can work through them with the young people to learn some technology-based creativity. There's a lot of young people out there who are no longer at school and can be learning in such a way that isn't just pencil and paper. There's a lot more things out there, and this really kind of ties in with the STEM framework, and that's the idea. It's something that I've wanted to do for a while, but I've never had the time, and now I do have the time because my diary's been wiped like clean, like that. A lot of people's diaries have been wiped clean, and as much, which leads me to my next point, as much as I would love to be able to do this whole thing for free, I kind of need to eat. I've started a GoFundMe page. I'm still going to make all these, and they're all going to be for free, and I'm going to pass them out and let everybody use this information. But if you can afford to maybe put something in the GoFundMe, it would be greatly appreciated to help me get through the other side of this, which we don't know when that's going to happen anyway. But so that's what I'm doing. As I say, join the Facebook group, Lockdown Learning with Tragic O'Hara. Go to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button. There'll be 2 videos out every week. I'll leave a link to the GoFundMe as well. Thank you very much for your time, and stay safe.